Welcome to my channel DrawASmile. Today we're drawing something super adorable, Hello Kitty popping out from an envelope, spreading lots of love and smiles. For this illustration, I'll be using a fine liner and I'll be using watercolor paper. However, feel free to use whatever you have on hand. I'll be using Ohuhu markers. However, feel free to use whatever colors you have. Just have fun and enjoy the process. Begin by drawing Hello Kitty's signature bow. It's simple, just a small circle in the middle and two rounded loops on each side. Next, sketch a rounded triangle just below the bow to form Hello Kitty's right ear. Now draw the shape of her head. Think of a slightly rounded oval with soft edges. Time to bring Hello Kitty to life. Draw two small ovals for her eyes, a tiny button nose in the center, and 3 whiskers on each side. Right below her face, sketch a cute heart that Hello Kitty is holding. It makes the drawing even more adorable. And now let's draw the envelope. For the hands, we just draw 2 circles, and to finish the body, we just need to draw a U shape. To make the envelope extra cute, add dotted lines along the edges for a stitched effect. Just follow along with me, it's easy. And that's it! Your adorable Hello Kitty popping out of an envelope is complete. I hope you enjoyed it. I use markers, just 4 colors to bring Hello Kitty to life. Feel free to match my colors or get creative with your own. And there you have it, Hello Kitty popping out of an envelope, spreading love and cuteness. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more cute drawings, and leave a comment letting me know what you'd love me to draw next. See you in the next one. Keep creating and spread joy.